Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on August the 21st, 2019. Brent crude rise above $60, U.S. inventories fall. Brent crude oil futures surged above $60 a barrel on Wednesday after industry data showed a larger-than-expected drop in U.S. crude stocks. However, ongoing worries about a possible global recession kept gains. Brent crude rose 33 cents or 0.6% to $60.36 a barrel, while U.S. crude WTI was up 17 cents or 0.3% at $56.30 a barrel. Data from American Petroleum Institute showed on Tuesday that U.S. crude oil inventories decreased by 3.5 million barrels in the week to August the 16th. Analysts polled by Reuters had expected a fall of 1.9 million barrels. Crude prices were also supported by data showing lower exports in June from Saudi Arabia, the world's top oil exporter. But uncertainty over the global economic outlook amid the U.S China trade war kept gains in the oil markets. Alibaba delays listing due to Hong Kong's protests. China's biggest e-commerce company, Alibaba Group Holding Ltd., has postponed its up to $15 billion listing in Hong Kong amid growing political unrest in the Asian financial hub, according to data from Reuters. The decision to postpone the deal, initially set for late August, was taken at a board meeting before Alibaba's latest earnings released last week. The delay is due to the lack of financial and political stability in Hong Kong amid more than 11 weeks of pro-democracy demonstrations which plunged the city into turmoil. While no new timetable has been formally set, Alibaba could launch the Hong Kong deal as early as in October, seeking to raise from $10 to $15 billion when political tensions ease and market conditions become favorable again. U.S. and Japanese ministers held trade talks. Top negotiators from Japan and the United States will meet this week to discuss trade issues. However, hopes for a deal in September are fading as both sides fail to make concessions of agriculture and automobiles. Japanese Economy Minister Toshimitsu Motegi and U.S. Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer will hold two-day talks in Washington, D.C. from Wednesday, which will be their second meeting this month. These talks aim to lay the groundwork for a possible meeting between Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe and U.S. President Donald Trump on the sidelines of a group of 7 summit later this month in France, where they could discuss trade. Xiaomi revenue rises in a slower pace amid rivalry. Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi Corp posted its slowest revenue growth, missing analyst estimates as company lost market share to Huawei and customers held on their phones before a 5G refresh. Stock of electronics giant, which has nearly halved from its IPO price, was down 6% in afternoon trading on Wednesday. Xiaomi's market share in China, the world's largest smartphone market, declined in the April-June quarter. In turn, Huawei's share surged by 31% because many customers are rallying in support to Huawei as it battles U.S. trade restrictions. The Xiaomi second quarter revenue rose 15% to 51.95 billion yen, $7.4 billion from 45.24 billion yen a year earlier, but fell short of the 53.52 billion yen expected by analysts, according to IBES data from Refinitiv.